Alright guys, we're back at the bench here. Okay, so today's video is going to be the hands-on review of the Bosch Palm router. Okay, I did the unboxing video, I'll link that up here. Now we're going to do the review video of this. Okay, so just for safety purposes, if you guys can see, there is no bit in here. See, there's no bit in here. Alright, open collet, no bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this thing in and show you. You will see the lights come on down here. Boom, we have power. We got some lights right there. Okay, I have this set at a speed rating of 4 because that's what I used it at for my last project. So that's where it is right now. Okay, but I want to show you is when you turn this on, the high torque that it's going to have, but the circuitry that's in this is going to slow it back down. Alright, so you're going to see that. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn this on, and this is one of the features that I like. See that? And then I'll hold it here so that you can hear it. It's going to wind up and then go back down. You hear that? Okay, and then if you look, it'll jerk in your hand a little bit here. You'll see it, and then it'll smooth back out. Okay guys, so there's a few ways that I wanted to demonstrate to you the circuitry that's in this that I like, right? That makes it easier to control. It's not always at the highest RPM. So right there we had no pressure on the collet, we have no bit in it. And when you start it off, it starts out off your highest speed, so if I turn the speed up, it's going to wind higher than that, but then it's going to tone it down to where it's manageable for you to hold it. And then as you're using it, the circuitry in here feels the resistance and adjusts as you go. So it's a really cool feature that I like. Alright, so now that we got that, I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. You'll see the lights go out here. Okay, we're going to unplug it for safety. We're going to grab our roundover bit right here. Okay, get that loaded in there. We're going to take this over to our piece of wood and we're going to see it used in action. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so here we are. So I had to make a slight adjustment to my bit in there because this is a 3/4 inch piece of wood and the last one I did was 1/2 inch. So when I adjusted this, it was off. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this is the same thing, right? Okay, so over here we have our logos. Let's see if you can see them right there. Right there we have lock between the two and unlock. So you can rotate this up to lock, which loosens this door, which allows you to just slide this wherever you need it on your scale that's right here, right? So we got our scale right there, so we got 1 inch and all the way down, right? If you let go, there's 0. So 0, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1, basically, and then millimeters on the other side. So I'm doing 3/4, so I'm moving it up to the 3/4 line, right? And then I will lock the switch back down to the lock position, which will now lock it in. Now I have the roller. This is the part that's great. Okay, so if we can see those lines there, right? You probably can't see them very well, but I can roll this. And you can see, I can already see that gap getting bigger, right? And then I can roll it the other way, and it'll get smaller. It's really tight, so trying to do this holding it still is hard. I mean, it takes a lot of force to roll this. Okay, but you can see we're getting back closer to that 3/4 line, right? Get a little bit closer. Now when you do this, you're going to be looking at it there. See, now you can see I'm touching the line. Okay, with the little menu adjustments, and you can use that when you finally get to your cutting surface, okay? And you can adjust where you want your bit to fall on the wood. Okay, now you can use that when you want to adjust your bit on the wood. Alright, so you can set that up for however you want it with your roller bearing to roll on the wood to cut your edge. Alright. Alright guys, here we go. That is the Bosch palm router in action. So I got the unboxing video and now the action video, and I hope you guys saw what you wanted to see out of this. If not, go ahead, let me know. I have a few other projects that I still want to do with this router that I have planned. I've done a few before I edited this video and some more planned. So anything, post it down below and I will try and get that done. In the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed this, got something out of it. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.